Alright, hey, what's up, y'all? I want to tell you about a mixer that we have going on next Saturday, April 3rd at 4 p.m. at Echo and Rig. We've got part of the patio blocked out. We got some tables reserved for us. It's going to be a great time. Recently, we had a dinner at Texas Day Brazil, and that's always a really good time. And one of my favorite things about some of these events that we get to host is just watching people connect with each other. You know, I get to sit back and listen to discussions and questions and experiences, and sometimes a lot of us don't get to meet other people in the community going through similar experiences unless we facilitate something like that. So after that dinner, we decided, hey, we're going to start to facilitate something like this once a month or once every couple of months so that we all have an opportunity to get together, have some community, have some good discussions, and meet some new people. Okay, so this is meant to be really casual. Don't think of it as a dinner. Don't think of it as coming and ordering a steak and some sides and things like that. What I really want is for us to focus on communing with each other. So maybe we'll get some appetizers for the tables. They've got some really good meat and vegetable dish appetizers, all made with approved ingredients. And then optional drinks, you know, a glass of wine, an alcoholic beverage of your choice. If that's not your thing, they have sparkling water. You can order a mocktail. But I want the focus to be us getting together and just meeting other people. So what we'll do is we'll facilitate some good discussion. We've got some discussion topics. We're going to recommend some assigned seating, and that's flexible, of course. But what we're also going to do is every 30 minutes try to rotate the seating so that we can meet some new people and have some new discussions, okay? And then we'll finish it off with just an open time period where we can just do whatever the heck we want, right? So you can order some food if you want to, but that's not the focus. This is not a dinner. This is an opportunity for us to get together. You can order drinks if you want to, but if that's not your thing, you do not have to feel pressured to do that, and do not exclude yourself from this if you don't drink alcohol, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm really excited about this to see how it goes, all right? We'll see you guys soon.